Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a PayPal account in Oman. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you will have to open your web browser and you will have to search for this query PayPal country worldwide. Once you search for this query, you will find first link. So you need to click on that link and you will be landed on this page. So these are the countries where PayPal is available and providing their services. So we will have to find whether Oman is available in this list or not. So in order to find that out, you will have to press Ctrl plus F on your keyboard, and here in the search bar, you will have to search for Oman. Now, as you can see that Oman is available, so you will have to click on this link and it will redirect you on the official website of PayPal. Now, once you are over here, in order to create your account here, you will have to click on the sign up button and then you will have to select Oman as your country again. But before that, you will have to select whether you want to open a personal account or a business account. So if you want to open a personal account, select it and press continue. Then from here, make sure that Oman is selected as your country. Now provide your email address and press next. On the next page, you will have to provide further details like your first name, your last name, and a bunch of other details. So you will have to provide those in order to open your PayPal account in Oman. So it's a very simple and straightforward process. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.